When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyer to pay for inspections, but when would it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but here's a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things: sell the home as is and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are the standard customary inspections that a buyer would do. We recommend a home inspection. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these up front or when escrow closes. In regards to the home inspection, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed. These are very common requests that buyers have. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought they were going to in escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on the inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of their sale to secure and close on the new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that's move-in ready condition. Also, if there's a bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety. To wrap it up, seller, buyer, and lenders have more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close.